सही है बदलो की है मग ಗೊತ್ತಸಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಮ ಶಿಕಸಗಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡು ಓ Hi everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Today's birthday special vlog, and what more can I ask for when I'm in Sringeri and we are going to Sringeri Sharadamba temple to take blessings from the divine Sharadamba, the beautiful Devi. What more can I ask for on a birthday today? So we are going there and we're on the way. 1 o'clock almost. The temple is there till 2 in the afternoon. If you haven't watched the previous video, we went there in the night during Navratri. That was very beautiful. And now it's Navratri again, and it's the daytime. Today is 25th September, and it's daytime that we are going. When we went in the evening, it was very beautiful with a lot of lights and all that. If you want to see that, you have to go in the evening. I mean, if you want lesser crowd, go in the daytime. I guess lesser crowd, I hope. We're taking the baby along with us. It's Guruji, me, my mother-in-law, and the baby who's going to the temple. Parking is a problem. The time is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's my first birthday without my father, and I miss him a lot. He would have been the happiest if he were around when the cake cutting would have happened. He would be the first one to call, he would be the first one to wish. I miss him a lot. Men should wear dhoti, traditional wear, and women should wear sari or salwar with dupatta. Don't forget that when you come. So there are 20 rupees shops. Sringeri roads during Navratri is a vibe. Lot of shops are set up. Come, let's walk through so many shops. 20 rupees. Oh, nice shop. Anything you pick, 20 rupees. Then to Sansana container and he gave it. Young would like us. This is clothes shop, corn masala shop, Arun ice cream. This is Sringeri temple. Beautiful. These lights will be on in the evening during Navratri. So this is Navratri time only. Lights will be on during the evening. They're setting up shops now. See, this is some steel shop. 3 pieces, 100 rupees. Chudidar tops for 225. This is all what accessories, jewelries, anything is 20 rupees. Oh, this shop has so much items. Pick anything, 20 rupees. Oh, this is Kelsamanu Angadi, Kaltipatti Angadi in my father's language. Kaltipatti. Oh, this is rug. Bangles, glass bangles. Oh, Sanskrita Bharati Sringeri. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Also, you can hype the video, which you can find near the comment section. Please support me by hyping the video. This is the official parking area. That behind, that's the official parking area. Leave your footwear in the footwear stand, otherwise your chappal will be gone. And we enter the temple premises where divinity meets heritage and nature and beauty. Wow, what an amazing place! Beautiful temple. This is the Gopura, majestic Gopura. Beautiful, majestic Gopura of the temple. At night, this place is a vibe. This is the counter. Sharanavaratosava Shankara Darshana. This place is very nice. They have made it very beautiful. And that there Sharanavaratosava, that is the Garbhagudi. This is the Garbhagudi of the temple. Photo beyond this point is not allowed. I don't know if we will get darshan. Yeah, Devi darshan is possible now. I don't know if you can see. We came to have Anna Prasada here in the hall. This will be a core memory for us because this is the first time both of us are sitting together for lunch and the baby is in between us. Otherwise, either one of us has lunch first and then the other one sits. But here also can't happen. We gave our baby girl Gayatri some toys to play with, and she was playing until she saw this rice being served, and I started eating. She jumped onto the plate and then fell. And then, thankfully, my mother in law had completed her lunch. She came and took the baby away, and we ate peacefully. Very tasty Anna Prasad it was. We had Anna Prasad in the temple. It was very, very nice, very yummy, amazing Anna Prasad. And if you don't know, it's free. The food here is free, and the Sringeri Sharadamba temple serves thousands and thousands of devotees free lunch daily. So, food here is free. What an amazing day today. Blessed day. We are now going back to the chappal stand. We'll wear a chappal and maybe try to shop or else no. We'll go home. Maybe try street shopping or else no. We'll just go home because it's a weekday and we have and Guruji's office. So then there's this plastic shop which is 20 rupees for anything. We bought so many things here. We bought stuff in that 20 rupees plastic shop. Random things. And we reached home. It was very nice birthday spent well. We had a nice time. And then we bought a cake. Guruji has bought a cake. Now we'll do cake cutting in some time. This is the first birthday without my father. I miss him a lot. He would have been very happy. He would have called me and wished me and video called and said, "Come soon." Since I'm away from home, he would say that, we'll cut a cake or we'll celebrate when you come home. And he would bless me abundantly. I miss all that. I miss you, Anu, wherever you are. Thank you for everything you have done for me. It's cake cutting time. Here begins the fun part. मग ಗೊತ್ತಸಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಮ ಶಿಕಸಗಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡು ಫೋಟೋ Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Lakshmi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Lakshmi. Happy birthday. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. This is the first birthday where I am a mom. I have a baby with me. Thanks to God for that. First birthday where I have my baby with me. I am a mom. Thanks to God for that. And also this is the first birthday where I don't have my father with me. I lost my father. That's the very sad part. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button. Please support me. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.